Today, we are returning to the Predosa hatchery, together with Gloria Mozzi.
Gloria is a mechanical engineer. She's working with the Politecnico di Torino, and her project is on the collective behavior of gregarious fish in the application of the fish passages.
In fact, there are fish that are used to live and move in groups, in schools. And so for them, it can be a problem to use a single file fish passage.
And it's not just a question of correct size. It can also be that in certain hydrodynamic conditions, with some kinds of turbulence, the fish are unable to sense their neighboring fish. And so, their stress level increases and their swimming performance deteriorates.
Gloria has done various experiments, first introducing one fish into the channel, then two fish, then groups of fish, and has observed their behavior in the different water flow conditions.
In reality, she didn't actually observe their behavior directly. Instead, she filmed the experiments and then studied the behavior of the fish in the videos.
It is here that she relied on artificial intelligence, so that she could analyze the many videos and acquire statistically relevant data.
The artificial intelligence developed by computer scientists is able to recognize elements in a video typical of a computer scientist's universe. His office. Human beings, chairs, desks, monitors, keyboards, but not fish.
Gloria, therefore, had to instruct a neural network how to recognize them. This meant first showing the artificial intelligence where the fish are in thousands of video frames, and gradually training it to recognize them.
So I embarked in this journey alone, not knowing how long it would have taken and if I would have actually succeeded. So actually, when I saw those rectangles on those fish, on those videos, it was really a satisfaction because I put a lot of effort, but I was really scared of doing this thing, but I managed, so it was really nice. Like, I felt proud somehow. So
the next step was to teach the artificial intelligence not only to recognize fish, but to follow the individual fish one by one. In other words, to recognize in the video who was who.
When the artificial intelligence learned to do this, Gloria had the paths of each fish in the school at her disposal. What did she observe by studying the trajectories of the fish?
At low water flow speeds, the fish use synchronized swimming, moving in a coordinated manner from one side of the channel to the other, using transverse movements to explore the space.
At high water flow speeds, the fish line up, with one taking the lead and the others behind, making us think of cyclists in a sprint, trying to gain a hydrodynamic advantage and save energy.
By studying the trajectories, Gloria also observed that individual fish explore the space more when they are in groups, moving around more than when they are left alone.
Then Gloria analyzed the fish together with her Ribes colleague Sophia Schumann, a German biologist who works at the University of Padova. Together, in fact, they measured a high level of stress in gregarious fish when they are left alone.
Therefore, if they can stay in groups, the fish are less stressed. They explore the space around them more easily. They swim better and save energy.
Something similar may happen to other living beings, even to researchers.
And actually, we had the first year, we had a campaign that lasted 1.5 months without really weekend breaks. So it was really 24/7 staying together. But it was really nice. It was really also a nice environment, like close to the mountains. And it was really, really challenging. We were working many, many hours per day, even until night. But I don't know, it didn't, like, it felt tiring, but it didn't felt heavy, because I was with people that I really like to work with. So it's much lighter, and especially if you do things that you like and you're passionate about, that of course it's challenging sometimes, but it's definitely worth it.
Peixinhos do mar, foi marinheiro, foi os peixinhos do mar, que me ensinou a morrer, que me ensinou a morrer. Foi marinheiro, foi os peixinhos do mar, foi marinheiro, foi os peixinhos do mar, que me ensinou a cantar, que me ensinou a cantar. Foi marinheiro, foi os peixinhos do mar.